10 2014 Ford Escape Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford Escape Transit Connect Motor and Transmount Set. Tired of excessive vibrations or a shaky ride in your Ford Escape or Transit Connect? Upgrade your driving experience with our premium motor and transmount set, specifically engineered for your 2013 to 2016 Escape, 2.0L/2.5L, or 2014 to 2021 Transit Connect, 2.5L, with an automatic transmission. This comprehensive three-piece kit provides all critical components: the front motor mount and both upper/lower transmission mounts, a 5631, a 5612, a 5520. Each mount is rigorously tested and crafted from superior materials to meet or exceed OEE specifications. You'll instantly notice enhanced stability and a smoother, quieter ride, restoring your vehicle's original feel. Drive with absolute peace of mind. This meticulously crafted kit is backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. Number 9. Ford/Lincoln 6 F35 Gen 2 Master Rebuild Kit. Is your Ford or Lincoln 6 F35 Gen 2 transmission showing its age? Don't settle for a sluggish ride or costly full replacement. Our Master Rebuild Kit is your ultimate solution, expertly designed for 2013 to 2017 Edge, Escape, Fusion, Explorer, and MKC models. This comprehensive kit includes all essential components, like crucial clutch plates, precisely matching OEM specifications. Say goodbye to endless searching for individual parts. We've bundled everything you need to simplify your repair process. Restore your vehicle's original smooth performance and enjoy significant savings over a new transmission. Get back on the road with confidence, knowing you've chosen a cost-effective, high-quality rebuild designed for lasting reliability. Number 8. Amazon's Choice Overall Pick. Amazon's Choice Overall Pick. Ready to give your vehicle the care it deserves? As Amazon's Choice Overall Pick, the Motorcraft Transmission Fluid XT105Q3LV isn't just fluid. It's an investment in your car's longevity and performance. Expertly engineered, this premium fluid ensures incredibly smooth, reliable shifts, making every drive a pleasure. You're not just adding fluid. You're providing superior protection against wear and tear, significantly extending your transmission's life. With Motorcraft's OEM quality, you get the assurance of a product precisely formulated for optimal vehicle health. This substantial 9.23-pound package offers excellent value, ensuring you have what you need to maintain peak performance. Trust the choice of experts for unmatched reliability and peace of mind on the road. Number 7. Ford Escape 2007 to 2016 Engine Transmission Oil Cooler. Give your Ford Escape the protection it deserves. This premium engine transmission oil cooler is meticulously engineered to keep your vehicle's vital fluids at optimal temperatures, safeguarding its performance and extending its lifespan. Specifically designed for Ford Escape models 2007 to 2016, covering 1.6L, 2.0L, 2.5L 4, and 3.0L V6 engines, it's a perfect fit for OEM numbers like CV6P, 7869E. Rest assured, it's manufactured in TS 16949 certified facilities, undergoing rigorous material validation and functional testing. Constructed from robust, corrosion-resistant aluminum, this cooler ensures consistent cooling efficiency, preventing overheating and improving overall engine and transmission longevity. Invest in peace of mind and keep your Escape running smoothly, mile after mile. Number 6. Ford Escape Transmission and Engine Mount Kit 2013 to 2019. Revitalize your Ford Escape's ride and reclaim its smooth performance with our BRTC Transmission and Engine Mount Kit. Worn mounts cause excessive vibration and noise, diminishing your driving experience. Expertly engineered for 2013 to 2016, 1.6L, and 2017 to 2019, 1.5L, automatic Escapes. This comprehensive solution includes the front motor, rear lower torque strut, and left transmission mounts. Each piece is crafted from premium, rigorously tested raw materials, ensuring durability and quality that meets or exceeds OE specifications. The result? Significantly reduced vibration and a remarkably quieter, more comfortable drive, restoring your Escape's original feel. We're so confident, we back it with an exceptional 36-month warranty, offering you complete peace of mind. Restore your Escape's factory fresh feel, enjoying every journey again. Number 5. 2014 Ford Escape 2.0L/2.5L Transmission Mount Set. Is your 2014 Ford Escape experiencing excessive vibrations or a rough ride? Restore that factory smooth ride, reclaiming its original quiet and responsive feel with our premium transmission mount set. Specifically engineered for 2013 to 2017 Escape 2.0L and 2013 to 2019 Escape 2.5L models. These mounts are crafted from high-grade raw materials and rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEE specifications. They effectively minimize engine vibration, ensuring a quieter cabin, while securing your powertrain for optimal performance. This comprehensive kit includes the front motor, lower, and upper transmission mounts, ensuring a complete replacement. Plus, drive with absolute confidence thanks to our generous 36-month warranty. Upgrade today and experience the stability and quietness your Escape deserves. Number 4. 6F35 Transmission Master Rebuild Kit. Revitalize your vehicle's performance with our 6F35 Transmission Master Rebuild Kit. Designed for a perfect fit, this kit is your ultimate solution for popular models like the 2012 to 2016 Edge 2.0L, 2009 to 2017 Escape, and 2010 to 2017 Fusion. Say goodbye to guesswork. Our comprehensive kit includes every essential part for a seamless and complete transmission overhaul, saving you time and frustration. Each component is expertly crafted from premium, durable materials and rigorously tested to surpass industry standards, ensuring unwavering reliability and extending your transmission's lifespan. Drive with confidence, knowing you've installed parts built for peak performance and longevity, even in harsh conditions. And remember, Kaladacor's dedicated support team is always here to assist you post-purchase, offering peace of mind beyond the sale. Number 3. Ford Shifter Cable Bushing Repair. Experiencing frustrating, sloppy shifts in your Ford? Restore that crisp, factory-smooth feel with our premium shifter cable bushing repair kit. Specifically engineered for your Ford Edge 2015 to 2018, Escape 2013 to 2019, Fusion 2013 to 2016, C-Max 2013 to 2018, and Transit Connect 2013 to 2021. This kit is a direct replacement for KV6Z, 7K340A, and DG9Z, 7S004A. Crafted from durable, high-quality plastic, it's designed for superior wear resistance, ensuring long-lasting, precise gear engagement. Installation is a breeze. No modifications needed. Simply fit it using existing points for a quick, hassle-free fix. Enjoy a significantly better, more reliable driving experience, preventing misalignment and bringing confidence back to every shift. Get back on track with smooth, accurate shifts today. Number 2. Ford Escape Lincoln MKC Transmission Mount 2013 to 2019. Is your Ford Escape 2013 to 2019 or Lincoln MKC 2015 to 2019 feeling a bit off? Our premium transmission mount is expertly engineered to restore your vehicle's stability and performance. Crafted from robust metal, this high-quality bracket securely holds your transmission, drastically reducing vibrations and ensuring proper alignment for optimal vehicle operation. If you're noticing excessive noise or a shaky feel, a timely replacement is crucial to prevent further costly damage. Designed for a perfect, no modification needed fit, OEBV6Z, 6E042C, installation is straightforward and efficient. Enjoy a smoother, quieter, and more reliable driving experience, giving you renewed confidence on every journey. Upgrade today for lasting durability and unparalleled peace of mind. Number 1. Complete Ford 6F35 Transmission Rebuild Kit. Revitalize your Ford's 6F35 transmission with complete confidence. Our meticulously engineered rebuild kit is your definitive solution, perfectly compatible with a wide range of models like the Edge, Escape, Explorer, and Fusion. We've packed this kit with top-tier components, ensuring unparalleled durability. You'll find 80% of seals crafted from US and Taiwan fluorine rubber, FKM, for unmatched heat, oil, and ozone resistance, complemented by premium Japanese ACM. Crucially, NAK oil seals deliver superior abrasion resistance and leak-proof performance. High-strength steel plates guarantee precise clutch stability, while asbestos-free friction plates ensure excellent thermal stability and wear resistance. Restore smooth, reliable performance and extend your Ford's life with a rebuild that truly lasts. So, that sums up my 2014 Ford Escape transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,